makes the best rice in the world between Haiti and Cuba? With the Rice World Cup starting off with 32 countries, we are only left with 2. So for the last round, I got the top 3 rices from each country to see who wins the best 2 out of 3. Haiti, we have djon, diri kole, and diri blanco. Cuba, we have Arroz con pollo, Arroz congrí, and Arroz blanco con frijoles.
First, we have the staples: diri djon versus Arroz con pollo. I don't know what it is today, but today I kind of feel the same way about both of them. But if I had to pick, the Arroz con pollo is better. Diri kole, Arroz congrí. These rices are oddly similar. That's tough. That was very tough. If I had to pick, I would have to pick the diri kole. They tasted very similar, but flavor-wise, the diri kole just tastes better to me. Now we have diri blanc à sauce pois, Arroz blanco con frijoles, white rice with beans. This steak is good. Okay. Every rice I try, they literally on a even playing field. This is going like this. If I had to pick, and there's one rice I would have to eat for the rest of my life, I would definitely pick the diri blanc et sauce pois. That's how you say it, right? Both of the bean sauces were flavorful, but I'm gonna give it to Haiti.